This is a basic algebra problem. Let's get into finding the value of x. When we have problems like this, the first step will be to distribute x into the brackets. So we'll write 5 into 9 minus x times x is x squared, and 8, that's 8x, close the bracket, is equal to 5 times 1. 5x times 1 is 5x minus 5x times x is 5x squared. Next, subtraction sign, negative x squared minus 8x is equal to 5x minus 5x squared. Next, we multiply 5 into this. So we get 5 nines are 45 minus 5x squared minus 40x is equal to 5x minus 5x squared. 5x squared minus on both sides will cancel. Then we are left with 45 minus 40x is equal to 5x. Then we take the 40 to this side of the equation. Basically, we add 40 on both sides, 40x and 40x on both sides. We are left with 45 is equal to 45x divided by 45. This is easy, it gives me 1. So x is equal to 1. This was just basic algebra. Let's just do one more to get a little more practice on basic algebra. Look at this. We have x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 4 plus 5 into x minus 5. All we have to do is distribute, multiply and multiply. So that's easy. We bring in x minus 1 plus 2x minus 4. 3 into x minus 3 gives me plus 3x minus 9. Now 4 into x minus 4 gives me 4x minus 16. And 5 into x minus 5 gives me 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. Next thing we have to do is group all the x's. You can see all the x's here. Let's group them, and we get x plus 2x plus 3x, then plus 4x plus 5x. When we group the numbers, we start with negative 1, negative 4, negative 9, negative 16, negative 25 is equal to 0. Add all this, we get 15x minus, add the numbers together, we get 55 is equal to 0. Add 55 on both sides, we get, this cancels and we get 15. X is equal to 55, then divide by 15 on both sides, gives me 3 goes here, 11, and here 3 times. So x is equal to 11 over 3, and that's your answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos on solving for x, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.